2025 Night National. Honorable, already established national youth, and almost immediately about to formally suspect which section of order has been put to the tracks.
On the stage continue of the 9th edition of the National Youth Games. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen.
Asaba 2025 has reflected the true spirit of Nigeria, our resilience, our diversity, and our shared dream of a greater tomorrow through sports. To the athletes, you are all winners. Whether you return home with a medal or without a medal, you have written your names in history. You have inspired us with your determination, your courage, and your refusal to give up. These values will serve you far beyond this festival. The Delta State takes pride in contributing to this legacy of youth development. Once again, Team Delta has shown its tradition of sporting excellence. But more importantly, we are proud that this games has been a platform for nurturing new talents from across the federation.
Second position, Edo State. Third position, Ogun State.
The 9th National Youth Games has once again exposed a worrisome trend. I say this because this game, they call it youth game. But what is happening now, it has changed the narrative. The steady erosion of its credibility as numerous states persist in feeding overaged athletes across key events. To safeguard the original vision of the games, the National Sports Commission should, as a matter of urgency, put measures in place that will curb age cheating, restore fairness by rekindling the game's integrity as a true nursery of young talents.
The officials and of course mascot himself.
competition has been an incredible experience marked by fierce competition, determination, exciting adventures, and expectational sportsmanship, all set against the warm backdrop of Asaba, Delta State. The supporting sports ecosystem provided by the Delta State government and its wonderful people, coupled with the dedication of sports stakeholders, has significantly contributed to the success of the Games. Unarguably, you will agree with me that these Games have provided us the opportunity to identify new young athletes that will be nurtured and groomed to replace the aging national athletes and facilitate injection of the new blood into the national team of our various federations. This edition has opened a new wave in the sporting exploits of the National Sports Commission, and we are committed to implementing policies and programs that will help in the attainment of the mandate of the Commission.
Started from the rear. Thank you. That's the chairman of the organizing committee doing the presentation there. And of course, to the winners at number 1, Delta State. Thank you. Go back to your seat, athletes.
Athletes, go back to your seats.
3 years old. You can imagine
Keep
how
clapping.
tomorrow.
Keep clapping for him. Keep clapping. Unless you want to go back to do 3 years, which is impossible. Congratulations for Delta State.
The winners, 400 meters mixed relay.
State, second position, Ogun State. And third position, ladies and gentlemen, Edo State, Nigeria.
I commended the National Sports Commission, the local organizing committee, and every stakeholder whose dedication ensured the smooth delivery of this event. To our athletes, you have proved that Nigeria's spirit of excellence and excellence shines brighter in you. We all lose, you all are champions. Delta State is proud to have hosted this gathering of the national finest young talents, and we look forward to welcome you all back again next year for another celebration of sport, unity, and excellence.
Team Delta! And receiving the award, we have the Director General, Lagos State Sports Commission, Mr. Aleko Fatodu. Congratulations! Can we please celebrate them? Team Lagos, Team Delta, Team Edo, congratulations.